Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare whey protein versus milk powder. Read labels for protein per serving, ingredient lists, and sugar content, then match product to your goal. Check for 20-30 g protein per scoop and minimal additives when possible. Consider digestion speed, with whey ideal post-workout and milk powder better for satiety or baking. I will share simple mixing tips, cost comparisons, and practical swaps to help you decide. In this video, I will explain whey protein versus milk powder. Focus on protein quality, digestion rate, and how each fits your schedule. Notice that whey spikes amino acids quickly, supporting muscle repair after exercise, while milk powder supplies slower, longer-lasting amino acids for fullness. Also weigh sugar, fat, and additives when buying. I will highlight how to read labels and calculate cost per gram so you can choose wisely. In this video, I will review whey protein versus milk powder. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated while blending protein or cooking. It seals well and makes workouts easier to manage. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like the channel, and check the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with whey protein versus milk powder choices. Try whey for quick post-workout shakes, and pick milk powder when cooking, overnight oats, or needing longer satiety. Mix whey with water or milk for fast absorption, and blend milk powder into recipes for thicker texture. Track daily protein intake and distribute servings across the day to meet targets. I will offer simple recipes and timing tips to simplify use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.